Today I have a Mazda, and I'm going to show you how to put this Mazda into gear. Now, note, different Mazdas have different ways of putting the vehicle into gear. So it's important that you read your owner's manual so you know for your specific Mazda. But for this Mazda, what I'm going to do is, in order to put it in gear, as you can see, I'm behind the steering wheel. The vehicle's currently in park. It's actually running right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the center right here. And you see this right here? This right here, this is the gear shifter. And currently it's in park. But as you can see, there are different gears that it can go into. It's currently in park. You can put it in reverse. You can put it in neutral. And as well, you can put it in drive. There's also a manual shifting mode, which I'll go over in this video as well. So, currently in park. In order to shift it to a gear, what I'm going to do is press my foot down on the brake and then come up here, and there is a button right here. See that button? I'm going to pull it in, okay? And when I pull it in, I'm able to pull the shifter or push it away. And so with it, the button pulled in, I'm going to shift it down. With it pulled in, I can shift it to R. And currently I am in reverse. Okay, so see that? When I put it in reverse, the screen camera comes on right here to see what's behind me. And I can release it. When I release it, it can't go back to park by itself. I have to press the button for it to go back to park. Now let's bring it back to neutral. Press the button, or bring it back to reverse. Press the button, go down. And now it is in reverse. I cannot go to park from this position right here without pressing the button, but I can, however, go to neutral without pressing the button by simply pulling back on this, and it goes into neutral. And when it's in neutral, I can actually go to drive without pushing the button, but it's important to note that I make it a good habit to pressing the button. Okay, so I'm in neutral, and if I want to go back to reverse, I can't push it. I have to pull this button and then go to reverse right here. All right, so I'm in reverse right here. Now, I'm going to go back to drive. Now note, while I'm doing this, my foot is on the brake, okay? And I'm doing this with the foot on the brake. You don't always have to have your foot on the brake to go to neutral from reverse or drive. So it's important to read your owner's manual before you start shifting your vehicle. Now that I'm in drive, I'm going to show you how to go to the manual mode. Now when I'm in manual, all I have to do is take this stick, go to the left right there. Currently my foot is on the brake. However, when I have it in drive, sometimes I don't do that. I just shift it over to the manual mode while I'm driving without having my foot on the brake. Now, unless it's something I do, you want to read your owner's manual so you know if you can do it. So once I have it into this one, into manual mode, I can just take this gear shifter, and in order to upshift when it's appropriate, I just go like this. I just pull it backwards. And it doesn't look like it's doing anything right here, but if you look at the screen right here, it actually goes up. If I push it away from me towards that subtraction sign, it downshifts right there. And in order to get out of this, I just simply I can just simply push this back over to drive, and it goes into drive just like that. And when I'm stopped, ready to put in park, foot on the brake, I just pull in the button, and then go to park. However, you can go to neutral without pushing the button, but you can't go further than that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it into park. All right, so this is a general guide of how to put a Mazda into gear. It's important to read your owner's manual so you know how to exactly put your vehicle into gear, because this is just a general guide. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.